Hello, and welcome to the Caterpillar ITDD Advanced Technologies and Solutions product support video about the installation process of the PL542. Before watching this video, we recommend that you watch our PL542 hardware overview video on Channel 1. The PL542 itself comes in a box with the necessary hardware, warning labels, and a quick info trifold. The hardware bag contains 3 warning labels, 4 zip ties, 4 pairs of dual lock strips, and 3 strips of VHB tape. Along with the PL542 kit, a harness with the appropriate machine connector will need to be ordered. To start, a machine needs to be selected for the install. The main requirements are that the machine needs to have either CDL and or J1939 data links, and the machine must have an engine ECM that supports engine speed over that CDL and or public or proprietary CAN. The next item is having the correct harness to install the PL542 onto the machine. When those items are complete, head to the machine. Before climbing onto the machine, ensure that the machine main power disconnect has the power connected. Next, climb into the cab, making sure to follow all proper safety procedures. Next, locate the service port. In this case, the machine has a normal gray Cat 9-pin connector. First, we're going to connect the other side of the harness to the radio. Make sure to twist the connector until it locks into place. Connect the other side of the harness to the machine's service port, again making sure that the connector is locked into place. After that is done, turn the key to the on position and start the engine. This enables the PL542 to go through the discovery and registration phases of setup. It will do all of this in the background while the rest of the install is completed. Once this is done, check the LEDs on the PL542. The device should have acquired a stable GPS and cell signal. Also observe the behavior of the blue LED. Depending on what information the device is receiving, the blue LED will display one of 5 states. If the blue LED remains off, no data link traffic is detected. If there is a short blink every 5 seconds, the data link traffic may be present, but does not include parameters that the PL542 requires. A PL542 installation is not recommended for this asset. If there is a slow blink about once per second, engine speed is present, critical for the start-stop messages. Cat Basic subscription is recommended. If there is a fast blink about 4 times per second, engine speed and total fuel is detected. You can either subscribe to Cat Essentials or Cat Basic. If the blue light remains solid, then engine speed, total fuel, and fuel level are all present, and Cat Essentials is warranted. The next step is to map out the harness routing and where the PL542 will be mounted. It is recommended to have the PL542 mounted horizontally with a line of sight to the sky. We recognize that a horizontal mount is not always available within a meter of the service port, but it is preferred. Once a mounting point is chosen, thoroughly clean the area where any adhesive mounting devices will be placed. This will ensure solid adhesion to the chosen surface. Please also be aware of any special considerations that will need to be taken due to hot or cold weather. For example, if the temperature is too cold, it would then be necessary to increase the temperature of the adhesive and the mounting surface prior to installation. Next, place any zip tie anchors that will be used to secure the harness. After that is done, install any dual lock or tape strips onto the PL542 with the plastic still protecting the machine side of the tape. If dual lock is used, it will be placed black side to the radio and clear side towards the machine. Remove the other side of the plastic film, then firmly press the PL542 to the chosen mounting location. The install is now complete, and that concludes this training video. For more information on how to configure hours, register, and subscribe your PL542, you can refer to our PL542 configuration video. Make sure to watch all of our other videos on Channel 1, searchable by using the product link keyword.